Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into new Relic dashboard, full guide step by step clearly. To log into the new Relic dashboard, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the new Relic login page. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the login fields. You will see two input fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your new Relic account in the first field. In the second field, type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password by providing your email address. After entering your credentials, check the Remember Me box if you want the browser to save your login information. Now, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the page to load after you submit your login details. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the new Relic dashboard. If there's an error, you might see a message indicating incorrect email or password. Double-check your credentials and try logging in again if necessary. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Explore the various sections available for monitoring and analyzing your applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.